Assalamualaikum. My name is Dahlia Arra binti Muhammad Fazli. I'm born in 15 August 2014. I'm 11 years old. I will tell you a story about Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. This book has 176 pages. Now, let's dive into the story. Once upon a time, in a cozy town, a boy named Charlie Bucket. He loved chocolate more than everything and dreamed of visiting Willy Wonka's magical chocolate factory. Every day, Charlie walked by the factory, imagining the wonders inside. One day, the whole town buzzed with excitement. Willy Wonka hid 5 golden tickets in his chocolate bars. The winner would get a tour of the factory and a lifetime supply of sweets. Charlie's friend found tickets, but he didn't lose hope. One lucky day, he found the last golden tickets. Overjoyed, he hugged his family and set off for the adventure of lifetimes. Inside the factory, surprise await. Charlie met Augustus Gloop, who loved Chocolate River, Veruca Salt, who wanted everything, Violet Bluebird, who chewed gum non-stop, and Mike Teeth, who talked all about gadgets. Through it all, Charlie stayed kind and polite. He listened to Mr. Wonka's candy magic stories and asked questions. Wonka smiled at Charlie's pure heart and tell him and share a secret. The factory needed a kind soul to take over one day. As the adventure ended, Wonka handed Charlie the keys to the factory. "You are the kindest of them all," he said, "and kindness is the greatest magic of all." They all hugged and laughed, knowing that kindness, love and is the sweetest magic of all. The moral of the story: Charlie and the Chocolate Factory teaches us that kindness, love for family, and gratitude are more valuable than any treasure. Be kind to others, stay true to yourself, and always dream big. Thank you.